Let us learn the ABC of YouTube by Abha Jadhav. So let me give you my brief introduction. I am an educator since 20 years, working as school principal in Apex International School, Surat, Gujarat. I'm a 3D parenting coach, working as project head, Radio Brainrine. I'm an author, recently co-authored book, Rise and Shine, 10 Spectacular Keys to Success, while being in the batch of TTOT. I have been recognized as LinkedIn Person of the Year 2020. I am recently been recognized as the Influential Woman Achiever of India 2021, Best Influential Professional India. And I am a YouTuber too. So my channel name is Abha Jadhav, and my famous show is Spotlight with Abha. So day one, what we are going to learn today, what is the objective, what are the objectives of today's session? So number one, we'll know why online, why YouTube, then how YouTube works. Then we'll have niche clarity, we'll know our content mastery. Then how to set our goals and intentions. Then let's create our YouTube channel. Then find out a channel name that stands out. So what kind of channel name we should select, that we'll also see. Then how to set branding and channel defaults. Then complete the about section and record and upload your first imperfect video. So I would request everyone to be ready with your notepads, so that if in case whatever I'm explaining, write in your own understanding. I'll be putting this PPT, this recording in the group, but still I will request that you keep on writing what you understand from what I'm explaining. Okay. So why online? Why YouTube? So we all know that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Means after Google, if anything we want to search on internet, we always move to YouTube. In fact, nowadays people are going more to you directly. They go to YouTube instead of going to Google. They directly go to YouTube and they search for the video on the topic they are looking for. For example, even if I want to see that, okay, how to polish my shoe, so straight away I'll go to YouTube and search a video which can show me that how to polish my shoe, or how to make an egg fry, or how to make bhindi ki sabzi. Everything is been now on YouTube. So YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. YouTube is an American video sharing website started by 3 former PayPal employees. Now, Google bought the site in 2006 for $1.65 billion. In 2017, estimates said that if YouTube were a stock, it would be worth some $75 billion at least. YouTube has over 1.8 billion users. You can navigate YouTube in 76 different languages. Number of channels earning 6 figures per year on YouTube is up by 40% year on year. So every year, 40% people are increased in YouTube channel who are earning 6-figure income from YouTube. So now how does YouTube works? Now, there are advertisers in the market who always want to promote their products and services they have. So they need some platform to promote their products. So they go to YouTube to put their advertisements through a program which is called as Google Ads. But YouTube has YouTubers who are putting their content on YouTube, and they bring audience to YouTube. And they are all connected through YouTube Google AdSense. So YouTube is putting advertisements on YouTubers' content, YouTubers' videos through a program called Google AdSense once they qualify for it, as they bring a lot of audience to their search engine. So what do you think? How much of revenue YouTube must be sharing? So what do you think? How much percentage YouTube is sharing with its content creators? Write in chat box. Okay, okay. So Sheila says 25%. Anil Malikji says D, that is 50%.
10.
Okay, 40%, again 50%. Okay.
10%.
Okay, Kush says 10%. YouTube shares 55% of its total earning to its creators. So if YouTube earns 100 rupees, he keeps 45 rupees with it and distributes 55% to his content creators. So it's a good amount. Now, we are very much fond of putting our videos on YouTube, but we must know that what topic, what content we want to put on our YouTube channel. It's nothing like regular video posting portal. As we put on Facebook or LinkedIn, हम कुछ भी video record करते हैं, we post on social media. Here we cannot do that. So we have to be very much clear that with what topic we will be coming up on YouTube with our channel. You should be very much clear because content is king. So right now, write in the chat box, which are the 3 things you are good at? Write down in the chat box, which are the 3 things you are good at? Please write in chat box. Soft skill, Nilu Malik ji says soft skills, okay. Those who are clear about their niche, that they will straight away write what is their niche. And those who are not clear about their niche, they can write those 3 things they are good at. आप किन 3 चीजों में बेस्ट हो? क्या आप कुकिंग में बेस्ट हो? क्या आप ब्यूटी टिप्स देने के लिए बेस्ट हो? या आप कुछ क्राफ्ट वगैरह की चीजें दिखाने के लिए बेस्ट हो? और you have some particular topic like emotional intelligence, artificial intelligence, parenting, and so many other topics. Yes, Anil Goswami ji says interaction, listening, and motivation. Sheila ji says spirituality, teaching students art and craft. Kush Prasha, cleaning the house, helping others, and interaction. Very nice. Okay, fine. So, like you people are very much clear that what is your niche. So, okay, Anil Malikji says values, ethics, and attitude. Great. So which of these you can make maximum value to your viewers? So out of these 3, select one topic through which you can give maximum values to your viewers. Means out of these, again, you choose one best topic, write it down in your notepad that out of these things, which is your best part, you can give maximum value to your viewers. So note it down in your notepad. I don't want it in chat box, but you note down in your notepad so that you can remember what is your niche. Okay, now close your eyes. Everyone, please close your eyes. Just close your eyes for a moment and think with a peaceful mind and concentrate that which are those 3 things out of your niche which you love to do in any situation and that you want to share it with others and pass on those values to the world, to your audiences. Okay, now open your eyes and write down those things in your notepad. That is for you. So in this way, you will feel comfortable to select one topic out of these three. First, we have put three choices of best things we are doing. Out of that, by closing our eyes, we found out our passion. Out of these three, which topic is our passion? Which topic we are passionate about? Okay, and then that will be your favorite one, which you have to again note it down so that you can remember. Now you have to work on this particular topic, nothing more than that. Next, start writing scripts on that content which can help you to make a video of 8 to 10 minutes. So writing scripts means now the script will be the base of your creating video. If we start directly start making video, what will happen? Sometime it happens that while recording a video, we become little cautious, we become little nervous, and it may be possible that we may forget one or two point, or ums and ahs will be repeatedly coming into our video, so which won't look good if you are presenting your video on YouTube. So since beginning, if we make a script of our video, it will be easy for us to present it in a comfortable way without any hesitation or without any ums and ahs. So write down your content. 8 to 10 minutes means approximately you should have 8 pointers or 10 pointers, one liners, or you should have scripts of at least 2-3 pages. Now record the videos on these scripts. So once you have written the script, as you are recording on this laptop, what you can do is, अगर आप लैपटॉप से रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, if you're recording it through laptop, it's very easy. You can open your script on the laptop and looking at the camera, you can record your video. If you're recording through your smartphone, then also you can do, what you can do is, smartphone you can keep at such a height where at the back of it, you can keep your script in a big handwriting and you can simply read out. But for that, you need a lot of practice. If you are reading and recording your video, it needs a lot of practice. Okay, now how to set your goals and intentions. Just put your pens down and answer honestly to yourself. What is your intention behind creating a YouTube channel? If anyone wants to reply here, they can unmute themselves and tell that what is their intention to create a YouTube channel. Anyone would like to share, please unmute and tell me. Or those who don't want to speak, they can write in chat box. So what is your basic intention behind creating a YouTube channel? Are you creating YouTube channel just because everyone is creating? Okay. Anilji says inspiring others. Achha, there are three topics, and then to create happiness. Wow. So there is some value. Yes. Yes, Niluji.
No, I want to create a YouTube channel so that I can share my knowledge or whatever my talent is with others.
Okay. Yes, anyone else who want to share?
I would like to send out a message, right? Of like I said, values. So I want to send out a message of how values play importance in life and society.
Sheila says bringing awareness. So Sheila, what kind of awareness you want to bring?
Bringing awareness. See, I have chosen my niche as spirituality. So
Yes.
People, many of them don't know why they get into crime. They are not aware of many things. Why God has created, why are we on this earth, and what is the purpose of life. So because they are not educated on these things, because they don't study all this in the school, and colleges. They have to learn on their own because it's an alternate education. So many of them will not know a lot of things. So better to bring an awareness so that we can bring down the crime rate and other negative things which are happening in the world. So that is what is my
Wow, great.
intention. Yes.
So here we all have a very clear intention of passing on to some values to our audience. Sometimes I have seen, especially youngsters, I have seen those who are 17 years old, or young kids, 13, 14 years old children. They are very much fascinated about YouTube. They want to create YouTube just because money comes through that. It's easy to get money from YouTube, as they think that it's very easy. अच्छा हम इतना वीडियो बना लेंगे, इतना सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएगा, so मेरे को ना पैसा आने लग जाएगा. So they are, young kids, they are basically intended to earn money, and actually they are very small to understand what values they can pass on to the audiences. So basically, if your value, if your intention is very pure, that you want to pass on the values, knowledge, some inspiration to your audiences, then welcome to the YouTube. Why? Because if you are just behind earning money, if you have just, your intention is just to earn money, simply you want to earn money, what will happen? You will create your videos haphazardly without in any particular direction. There will be no particular niche. You will simply create any videos, any type of videos, and you'll just keep on posting without any direction. So what will happen? It may be possible that you may get 1000 subscribers, you may get initially a lot of views, and you may be able to complete those monetization condition. But what will happen once you will start getting money? After that, you are happy. Okay, my channel is now monetized, and the moment that thing will hit, your saturation point will come, because that was your goal. Are you able to understand? My goal was just to monetize my YouTube channel, and instead not passing values to my audiences. So the moment you get monetized, your channel gets monetized, your goal is achieved. And after that, where the actual game begins, that person will stop playing. So what will happen? After some time, even if he has reached that condition of monetization, after some times he will stop earning money from YouTube channel, and slowly he will lose lose interest in YouTube channel, and he will be backing off. He will quit. Okay, so intention matters a lot, goal matters a lot. Now let's create your YouTube channel. Okay, I hope everyone over here is having their Gmail accounts. Write down yes if you have your Gmail accounts in chat box. Okay, all of you have your Gmail accounts. Great. So I'll just take you to my YouTube channel, where I will show you how we can create YouTube channel. So now already, because I already have my this Gmail account signed into my YouTube channel, so I'll just first sign out from here. Can you see my screen, all of you? Okay.
Yes,
So
madam.
now, yes, so I'll sign in again with some new ID. So I might be having some extra Gmail ID. Anyone who's not having Gmail, but it will again then come on to my laptop. So you have to sign in with on your laptop for creating your YouTube channel. So let me sign in with शायद इसने वापस मेरा ही ले लिया. ओके Let me see this one. So I have put my password. So now this with new login ID, I have signed up in the YouTube. Okay, now click on to the right top corner of your page where it will show your Gmail ID, and then it will show all these options. Now already this name as YouTube channel, so it won't show anything else. Instead of this your channel, it will show create channel. Got my point? I have all my 2-3 Gmails, but they all have been into YouTube. So right now new channel, you can just, instead of this your channel, it will show create channel. Understood? And then you click on to create channel, and then let me come out of this, otherwise my channel will get misplaced.
तो गलत
Okay, so here, suppose here YouTube, your channel is asking, here it will come create channel. So this will take to me on my channel. Okay. And there all the details will be asked. What is your channel name? And basic details will be asked, that is it for a business channel or is it your personal channel? They will ask all the details. You have to simply fill in, and then it will ask create, and your channel is created. The main function begins after creating channel. So creating channel is not a big deal. Everyone can create channel very easily if they have a Gmail account. So once your channel is created, this kind of screen will appear. Okay, now I have done all my work over here, so that's why my channel is looking a little fancy. So if you are a newly made channel, this thing will be totally blank on your screen. Here nothing will be there. Okay, and here if you have kept your photo, that is okay. If you have not, then how it will be done, I'll be showing you later. So now there are two icons you can see: customize channel and manage videos. Okay, so you can here click here, manage videos. So these kind of thing will come onto your screen. This is your dashboard, which shows the current status of your channel. Okay, we'll come back here again. Let us go to our PPT. Okay. So we have already created our YouTube channel. So just quickly go through the steps. Create your Gmail account. Sign in into YouTube. Click on your icon on top right corner of the YouTube. Click on create a new channel. Then choose use a business or other name. Then add your brand name. Brand name means your channel name, and click create. I hope it's all clear to everyone.
No.
Kamal ji.
Yes, ma'am.
So once you are signing to YouTube after creating your Gmail account, वहां पर राइट साइड में जहां पे आपके नेम का आइकॉन आएगा, जहां पे हमारे जीमेल अकाउंट की वो हमारी आइकॉन शो करता है राइट हैंड साइड में टॉप में, अगर आप वहां क्लिक करते हैं तो वहां पर वो एक अगेन बार खुल जाएगा, वहां पे काफी सारे ऑप्शंस का, जहां सबसे पहले लिखा होगा क्रिएट अ न्यू चैनल. उस पे अगर आप क्लिक करेंगे देन इट विल आस्क फॉर द चैनल नेम. तो चैनल नेम है वो बिजनेस से रिलेटेड है या आपका पर्सनल चैनल है. सो दैट वे इट विल आस्क इज इट योर फॉर योर बिजनेस और योर पर्सनल अकाउंट. तो आप उस हिसाब से इसका, अगर आप कोई कंपनी को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, so you have to write some company name over there. If you have a company, suppose if I have a company name Abha Jadhav and Sons. So if I am creating a channel on that name, then I will be writing that as a business name. Or else if it is a personal channel, then I'll be using some my name like Spotlight with Abha or Abha Jadhav or any other name I want to use. I can use that name. And then add your brand name. So once you click on this use business or other name, you have to select other, and then you have to put your brand name and click create. So your channel will be created. Now everything what after to be done, it will be done once you create your channel.
Now what has happened is I was simultaneously doing it, Abha.
Okay, okay.
While you were speaking, I was
Madam,
also trying to do it. Now,
Yes.
firstly, it never showed me the create a new channel icon. It showed the same icon which you were showing in yours.
Means
I
your channel is already created.
I have never created the channel before.
So what happens? There are certain things if you are not create, but sometimes just you log in and if you
So
want to subscribe,
by default,
by
ho gaya.
default it gets created.
Now
Yes.
by default, the channel has been created in my name. That's
Okay.
it.
So now how to edit that I will show you
Madam,
afterwards.
I'm Girish here. Hello, excuse me, ma'am. Sorry
Yes,
for the.
Girish. Yeah,
I
Girish.
have two queries. So suppose already someone is having the same brand which I want to create. So the YouTube will take, or we should change our brand name, ma'am.
So that I will tell you that how can you select your brand name. I'll come to that.
And we should
How
pay
to select the name
amount,
that I
ma'am?
will show you. I'll show
Okay.
you first. You with any name you just sign in. Whichever name comes to your mind, just create a channel, and then how you can see that your name is worth putting a YouTube channel. Okay.
And
So then
it's
you
a
will
free of
see.
cost, or we should subscribe
No,
some.
it's free. It's free.
Okay, okay.
You can create 50 Gmail IDs and you can create channels out of that.
Okay. In
Okay.
one Gmail, only one account
Yes.
we can create.
Suppose I have one laptop on one IP address, I can create at least 50 Gmail IDs. At
Okay.
least.
And you can have 50 YouTube channels.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
you can. Yes, you can.
All right. Thank you. I have 10 Gmail IDs, so I'll have 10 of them. Not to worry.
So you can subscribe all 10 to each other.
Okay.
Okay. So let's set your branding.
No, you can actually do it. Abha, you mean it? You mean you can create 10?
Yes, I have.
Okay,
I've
and
not
you can.
created 10 channels, but I have 10 Gmail IDs, 10 to 15 Gmail IDs.
No, but like if someone creates 10 channels, you can subscribe to each other and do. People do like this. Okay.
Because they are individual, na? They are on their own individual channels. I will show what all these things, those are very complicated things and comes on later stage. So don't fall into that right now.
Hmm.
They are
Ma'am,
very
I'll throw some light on this subject. What you are understanding and what she's saying is absolutely right. Because in her own case, to increase her number of views, I have subscribed from 3-4 of my Gmail IDs, and they've all been considered as counted as views.
Yes.
And even when you use a mobile number, if you use more than one mobile, that also counts as an additional view for her.
Yes.
So which means that all this is possible. What she's trying to say, it sounds illogical, but it is possible.
There are some hacks. They are all hacks.
These are the hacks. That's the correct word for it.
Yes. So come on to this. Now this is our action lab. Okay. Now this I shown you that on this your page, main page, you will click this button, manage videos. And after that, you will reach on to this page. So there are certain icons on the left-hand side. So in that, click the button settings. Are you able to see my screen, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, so click on settings. सेटिंग ये पहले आ गए हम।
साथ साथ करें।
गोल सेटिंग दिखा रहा है।
नहीं, come to customization, sorry. Come to customization.
Okay, after that, what we do?
Now, first is your layout. So what is layout? Layout is the appearance of your YouTube channel. Appearance of your YouTube channel. That how one will, what one will see if they log into your YouTube channel. For example, you have typed Abha Jadhav on search bar. So you will get this page. Okay. Now this page has this teaser, trailer. Then there are 3-4 sections. There are multiple playlist section, past live stream section, popular upload section, upload section. So different sections I have created. Okay. So this is the layout. All these is called the layout of the channel. So coming back to our action lab.
But in our case, nothing will come, no?
Right now, nothing will come. So you have to create that layout. So first, you can create one introductory video for you, which describes your channel. For example, this one, I have put this teaser. I'll just show you how it works.
You go to Google.
Well, can I ask you something? Abha, what is the version of Windows you're using?
I'm telling you, Windows 10.
Even I'm using Windows 10, but my menu options are slightly different from yours. Although I have reached this step all right.
So this is how I created my introductory channel, because my channel contains parenting, tips, and spotlight with Abha interview sessions. This call to action is also there. If someone sees this teaser, they want to come onto my channel, they can.
We are not doing it simultaneously at the moment, but based on this, we'll do it later.
I'm just showing you how it will work.
Yeah.
So you can do later on, no issue. So this is how your channel trailer has been put. If you want to change, here are 3 dots. You can click on that. You can put change video or remove video. If you don't want to put anything, simply remove video. Or if you want to put a new teaser or any clippings from your video, that also can be put over here from any of your existing videos. Now, featured video for returning subscribers means, suppose I'm doing I have watched video of Abha Jadhav and then again I'm coming back to my channel, then teaser will not come, this video will come. But my point, it says featured video for returning subscribers. So instead of trailer, here, so instead of trailer, once I will be returning from this page, after watching one video, it will show some the other video, which I have already set as a returning video for my viewers. Then featured section. So you can keep on adding different sections onto your video, onto your YouTube channel as and when you start putting more and more videos. This I have started doing after 70-80 videos ke baad I have started doing this. Because I was not knowing earlier all the details. So I started it very late. So you can do this thing from the initial stage. You can create different sections and you can, this popular uploads will come automatically. You will create the section, but this will come automatically. You are not supposed to upload anything here. It will come automatically. The video, whichever video will get more views, it will be shown over here. It will be highlighted over here. So these are my hit videos, which mostly people watch. Then
But,
live streams.
Ava, when you say different sections, what does it mean? Like on cooking is one and on life skills is one, something
Suppose
like that.
if you have taken your channel on the base as cooking, okay. So what different section also you can create by that will be coming in playlist, but this is whichever videos you are creating. So these are mobile uploads or whichever from wherever I have uploaded the videos. Then this is popular uploads. All these sections, they come by default in front of you. Then whichever section you want to add on to your screen, to your channel, you keep on selecting them.
Okay, you have to select from these.
Yes, these section will appear once you are first time when you do it.
You can
Okay.
add and you can delete both sections.
Yes, and suppose if I'm going live and I have scheduled one live video, okay, 26 January, I'll be going live at 6 p.m. And if I've created that link right now, so it will reflect here. So anyone who's visiting my channel before 26 January 6 p.m., so they will say, okay, live mein yahan pe she's going to be live on this day. And when I am live, it will keep on highlighting here that I am live.
Okay.
So in
Then
this
comes
case,
my-
Abba, we have to type here. If I want to go to your video, live video, I have to type Abba Yadav on YouTube.
can type any names which are related to my videos. Suppose if you type spotlight with Abba, you will reach to my channel. Because I have created my channel that way कि Google में आप अगर spotlight डालते हो तो सबसे पहले आपको मेरा वीडियो दिखेगा. So how
As
to
far
do
as
that will.
I think as far as that is concerned, as long as one is subscribed to your channel and has that notification given,
That
then
is
you
a
get
different thing.
Oh.
What Anilji is asking, it is the search engine operation.
Yes.
So
yes,
if you are looking for, suppose you have opened YouTube.
yes.
Okay.
I'm clear on that.
Yes. So these are different sections you can create, and you have to create multiple playlists. I have different playlists on my YouTube channel saying one is one group is of Spotlight with Abha, one is of parenting tips, one is of mindset series, one is of Abha Gujaratni, one says conversation live. So all these different shows I have created on my channel and different playlists are there. So what is the importance of playlist and all these details we'll be studying in the next session. So coming to the branding. So branding is like setting the look of your channel. So now first is channel icon. So this is your channel icon. So if you have any logo of your company, that also you can put, which is related to your channel name. Okay. Suppose Anilji is doing TED Talks, a channel with only purely with his TED Talks, then he can put some TED Talk with Anil or something like that. The title will be there, and here a logo or some icon will be related to that particular topic. Suppose if anyone is creating channel on beauty tips based, so you can put channel icon based on that. So your channel icon should reflect your channel name. Then comes banner image. So banner image is what? This one. Ye wala part, this part. Are you able to see? This is called banner image. Okay. So coming here. So if you want to change, click on change. It will take to your pictures which are there on your folders, and you can change and keep any of the picture you want to put here. But again, there are certain proportions of this banner, so you have to first create that banner in that size. So Canva, of course, we all know Canva. Canva is the best option to create such channel arts. This is called channel art or banner. Both are one and the same thing. So don't get confused if it asks for channel art. So channel art and banner image, both are one and the same thing. Understood? So I'll show you in the later sections at how we can create all these things using Canva. You want me to show one? I'll just show you now.
Canva is okay.
No, some people are new, na? They don't know.
Yeah, please.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now this you have to go to canva.com. Right now I'm using a free version. Free version में बहुत काम हो जाता है, so no need to go for a paid version. You can use explore in free version also a lot. So now as I've already created, so I'll straight away go to my new designs, but as some of the people are new, so we'll straight away go to create a design. So here we will write YouTube
Banner.
channel art. So as I have to create totally, customized on my name and everything. That's why I have taken up a blank sheet. Otherwise, there are some suggested YouTube channel arts are given, which as per your need you can set. So, for example, I have selected this image from templates. So I will change this and I'm just creating one just like that, just to show how it works. There are pictures which you can upload of your choice on through uploads.
But these already you have uploaded, no?
Yes. So I'm just showing how to create because some of us are new. So I'm just showing them how we can create a YouTube channel art. For example, I'm selecting this.
Okay.
So पहले पीछे वाला आपको delete करना पड़ेगा. Then you have to drag it and adjust it according to your page. Okay. So here that square icon will got hidden. I think इसके पीछे चले गया है वो. And then you can put one text over here. So select text of, there are many options given, fonts are given, you can select out of that. I've simply added one text of my choice. So they will actually, when you select this channel art na, यहाँ पे already एक उन्होंने sample जो दिया है, it is as per the YouTube channel. Suppose this square is here, means whatever you write your title on this channel art, it will display on the same positions as per YouTube channel. So for example, I am writing here, Abha Jadhav. And then whatever I have to write, spotlight with Abha. And for this, I can give one beautiful background. This is not visible. Okay. Now do not move these square from, this position because otherwise it will disturb the settings of your channel, YouTube channel presentation. So now I have downloaded it. Now after clicking from here, you have to download it. So download. So now design is downloaded. Now coming back to our channel customization. Now I'm clicking on change. Here it is. Suppose add a heading. If I open, it will go to my YouTube channel. अभी मैं नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मुझे वो दूसरा वाला image वापस ढूंढने में बहुत time लगेगा. So it will, that square part will come here in the bottom part. वहां हमें वो center में लग रहा था, but here on our channel, it will come like this. So do not change the position of that square. or rectangle which is being shown on the image. So I'll take a session on that also, that how you can create impressive channel art and everything while we'll be doing this thumbnail training. So don't worry about that. I'll be showing you that. So this is how we have created branding. Okay. So यहाँ पे हमारे चैनल का ब्रांड भी आ गया कि हम क्या हैं और हमारे बारे में जो भी लिखना है वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने यहाँ पे अपने बारे में लिखा है ये जो भी मेरे अचीवमेंट्स हैं, मेरा इमेज है, मेरे सारे सोशल हैंडल्स हैं, जहां से कहीं भी कोई मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकता है, मेरे बारे में जान सकता है. दे कैन नो अबाउट मी, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग फ्रॉम दिस डिटेल्स, एंड देन दे कैन गो टू माय सोशल हैंडल्स थ्रू दीज आइकन्स. ओके, नाउ कमिंग बैक. जी,
ये कैसे क्रिएट किया आपने ये फेसबुक?
हाँ वो आएगा 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 आएगा. It will come. So we have already done with this. Find out the channel name that stands out. So what you have to do, whichever name comes to your mind, you have to go to YouTube search bar and you have to type that name in that search bar. Okay. For example, Anil ji, आप कुछ नाम बताइए. Anil Malik ji, tell me any name.
Okay. Yeah, I put shaping the future.
Okay. So you in YouTube search bar, write down shaping the future. So if you click that, type that search in search bar, shaping the future, again, I have to share because time is running out. I'll be showing you, I'll be recording that video. एक मिनट मुझे फिर वहीं जाना पड़ेगा.
ये आप कहाँ पे गए?
मैं वापस YouTube पे आ गई हूँ. मैं YouTube पे आ गई हूँ. YouTube में मैंने सर्च बार में टाइप किया shaping the future. Now with this name, how many people are creating videos that you will come to know? है ना, shaping the future के नाम से so many people are creating the videos on the same topic, and see how many views are coming up. So 2.1K, 362K. So you will see the scope of this topic. Got my point? You will get you will come to know the scope of this topic, that whether this topic is trending or not. For example, अगर मैं कुछ भी ऐसे डाल दूं, कोई भी ऐसा टॉपिक डाल दूं, स्पॉटलाइट देखते हैं. So spotlight.
It was coming 0.
Yes.
On the right side, you can see the bar chart, and
so here my channel comes data on 3rd rank, 4th rank, 4th or 5th rank, and you will see that which is the most popular channel on Spotlight name is Spotlight English with these many posts.
30 million.
So seeing that, you can find out the name that is trending. जो हमें पसंद है वो नहीं रखना है, जो ट्रेंड कर रहा है नाम, that we have to keep. If you keep any name which is never been touched.
So if I name my channel as shaping the future with Lieutenant General Anil Malik, is that fair
Channel
enough?
name should not be so long. It should be short and crisp, so that people can remember it easily and they can type in easily. मुझे इतना सारा लंबा टाइप करना होगा तो मैं वो चैनल सर्च ही नहीं करूंगी.
Okay, ठीक है. So that
it has to be as short. We can put short as short we can. Okay. So ऐसा नाम आप देखिए, shaping the future is good name, means it's trending.
Yeah.
It's a new name. If you have, it has so many of views, means it's trending.
Right.
Okay. So in that way, you can check your niche name on that and find out that whether it is trending or not. And then accordingly, you can select. So now, if you don't get any videos for the topic you have typed, it means that that topic is never been touched by any viewer. So in that case, it's a risk to go for a completely untouched topic. It may be possible कि लोगों को वो topic देना पसंद ही नहीं है. और या हो सकता है कि that topic has never been touched by people and is certainly a totally a new topic. So it's a risk if you are trying anything new. Now how to set brandings and default? Branding मैंने आपको already दिखा दिया है. How to set defaults. So I'll just come to again quickly to YouTube channel where you can select defaults. Coming back to my channel customization, going to settings. वापस हम यहाँ पे आ गए. अब यहाँ पे एक setting करके आइकन है, उस पर क्लिक करेंगे. अब यहाँ आ गए. Now here the place where you can create your defaults. Okay. ये आपको हमेशा जनरल में एक ही चीज दिखाएगा, डिफॉल्ट मनी यूनिट. You have to keep always in dollars. जब भी आपका channel, whenever it will get monetized, the money will come in the dollar forms. So you have to keep that in dollar. Then comes your channel. So basic info, my channel name is Abha Jadhav. If you want to add it, again here there is a link where you can press and you can go to that link and change your channel name. Then which country you are in. So I'm from India, I'm writing that. Now these are the keywords which defines my channel. In keyword section, you have to write all the possible names that can lead people to your channel. Got my point? But whichever name comes, they have, I think, so many some word limit is there. Okay, 500 word limit is there. So you can type as many as till you reach that word limit. And whichever words you feel. अब समझो मैंने यहाँ पे राकेश प्राशर जी का भी नाम लिखा है. Wing Commander राकेश प्राशर भी लिखा है. क्यों? Because he is co-host with me in one of the program. So it may be possible जो उनकी audience है वो उनके नाम से ढूंढेगी उनका video. Got my point? So even if they are typing Wing Commander Rakesh Prashar or Rakesh Prashar, I have written both the ways, so they will come to my my video will reflect on their search bar then. Got my point? Clear? Then comes advanced settings.
So sorry, Abha. So indirectly you are promoting each other. This is the way it helps each other also.
Not in the sense promoting. Actually, we
No,
are
helping each other. Matlab, I want. If we put these names, do they help us in promoting ourselves?
No, nothing much. No.
Okay.
Not as such. मुझे अगर मैं
Abba,
अनिल मलिक
you'll have to clarify to her as to why you put his name.
that I have clarified now
No,
that
you
he is
haven't.
hosting.
You haven't. I don't think she's
told.
aware of the fact.
No, I told.
I
Rakesh
don't
ji
think
is
she-
doing.
yes,
Rakesh ji is doing conversation with Abha. Conversation Dil Se program with me. Okay, let me show you this.
up to you.
Wait, I'll show you. This program we both do together. These are the FB and YouTube live shows. And that's why as he is in my program, so anyone who's knowing Rakesh Prashar ji, definitely when he will be searching this program, he will be typing Rakesh ji's name. Got my point?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So all the possible names, suppose if I have interviewed Anil Malik ji, है ना? So again I will write Anil Malik ji कहाँ famous है. So TED Talk, Shaping the Future, whichever name people will search for him, I'll write all the names for his program. But as this is the default setting, means these keywords are for overall my YouTube channel. So every word I won't be able to put here because there's a limitation. So major words I have written which can lead people to my channel. Program wise, there's a separate section where we can put other keywords. Okay, so these are defaults. If I have forgot to put any of the keywords, these default keywords by themselves, they will go on to that particular program. So once I have typed all the channel, all the names, I'll put save and they are saved. Again, we'll go to the settings because it will take out us outside. Now uploads. So keywords we have done. Now advanced setting and feature eligibility will cover up in the next session because वो अभी नहीं समझ में आएगा. So we'll do in the next part. Now upload defaults again. So if your all the videos are carrying one title, you have to put one title over here, but it's not possible. Or each video will have a separate title. So that's why even I have left this section blank. Then here is the description part. So whenever you upload a video on YouTube, there's always a description part which describes your video. Sometimes it may be possible that any video you have posted and you forgot to write description part. In that case, this description part will automatically get added to your video. So वहां पे वो description section जो है वो blank नहीं दिखेगा. Understood? So this will cover up your that part. Then always keep visibility of your video as public. If you'll put private, then people will not be able to see those videos. Okay, so there are 3 options. So we'll keep on public. There are different tags I've already created. 500 words ka limit hai, we have already set. Advanced settings will be looking afterwards. Because हाँ यहाँ पे आप आपके चैनल का लैंग्वेज सेट कर सकते हैं. कमेंट्स ऑल अलाउ ऑल कमेंट्स. Initially, I have clicked on this whole potentially inappropriate comments for review. And that's why many of my friends, they were trying to comment, but they were not able to comment. So always say allow all comments. So all type of comments will come on to your videos and you can select. And if you don't like any particular comment, you can delete that comment from your channel. Okay, that is in our hands. So done. Then comes these part will be touching after second section, in the second section, because right now it is not needed.
The video language.
English, Hindi, whatever language you are writing,
No,
all the languages.
Can't it be bilingual, multilingual?
No, the search doesn't comes, only one language you can select.
Okay. तो आप तो greetings तो आप सारी multiple languages में करती हो सबको, हाँ?
तो उस समय वो वहाँ कैप्शन में ब्लैंक आ जाता है, वो भी ब्लैंक हो जाता है. It takes languages only mentioned in its menu. So we'll quickly go to this session. थोड़ा सा लंबा हो गया है. Okay. Then let us complete the about section. About section is given on your main page of YouTube channel. So this page, here you can see all these names: home, videos, playlist, community, channels, and about. So click this part about, and then again you will reach to this description part. Now here you write down about your channel description. What is your channel all about and yourself. So my channel description is Spotlight with Aba, Parenting and Conversation Dil Se. ये 3 main program hai. And then it is written about me and my social handles over here. Got my point? Is that clear?
ये about कहाँ से आया?
मैं बता रही हूँ वापस. आपकी मेन स्क्रीन पे जाएंगे, YouTube के मेन पेज पे, वहां पे होम, वीडियोस, प्लेलिस्ट, कम्युनिटी, चैनल्स, ये सब लिखा हुआ है. वहां पे आप अबाउट सेलेक्ट करेंगे, सो यू विल रीच टू दिस पार्ट. ओके, आपको ये भी दिखाएगा कि आपका चैनल आपने कब ज्वाइन किया था. तो मई 2017 में when I was creating YouTube channel for my school, so I have created my channel, but I didn't do anything. By mistake, it was created, and I didn't do anything till June 2020. So it was lying as it is, as a dead account. And I was operating my school channel actually to put all the videos of activities done in school. I never paid attention that what all details to be put. I never knew this. Okay. So coming back.
So you managed to learn all this in what period of time?
Along after TTOT, as we started putting our videos on YouTube, till 55, 60 videos, I didn't know anything about YouTube. 60, 65 वीडियोस मैंने डाल दिए, इनफैक्ट 100 वीडियोस डाल दिए, तब भी मुझे नहीं पता था ये सारी चीजें जो आज मैं आपको अभी सिखा रही हूँ. और बाद में कहीं से पता नहीं क्या चीज, मैंने किसी का एक सेशन अटेंड किया यूट्यूब पे, एंड आई वाज लाइक माय गॉड, ये तो पूरा साइंस है इसके पीछे. एंड देन आई started putting my Sundays 3-4 hours on this, and मुझे फिर वो जब तक मैं उसको सब कुछ जान ना लूं ना, मुझे अंदर बेचैनी होती रहती है, वो टिक टिक चलता रहता है दिमाग में, why this is not happening, why this is not happening. So I explored everything, and then each and everything I've tried and tested. Okay, so let us record and post your first imperfect video. Why imperfect video? Because we are not so trained, and right now we have not excelled the recording part and putting everything on YouTube. So just start. Don't think any kind of inferiority in your mind. मैं कैसे लग रहा हूँगा, मैं कैसे बोलूँगी, whether I'll look gory or black or gora, whatever it is. So don't bother about any damn thing. Just take your smartphone, push the record button, set your lights, close everything properly. Your background should be at least better. If you're not using Zoom, it's okay. Not to worry about green screen, not to worry about any damn thing. Yes.
Till we are conversant, we can keep it as a private, not public.
You can put public. आपको पता नहीं है, ऐसे वीडियोस इतने जल्दी वायरल होके मिलियन हिट्स पाते हैं, आप उनको देखोगे तो लगेगा इसमें क्या है, ना भाषा का ठिकाना है, ना वो लड़की की शक्ल का ठिकाना है, बट वो जो बोल रही है, द कंटेंट यू आर गिविंग, दैट इज वर्थ वॉचिंग, है ना, कि हल्दी के फायदे क्या हैं.
Sure.
आज मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ कि हल्दी कैसे यूज की जाती है, पर मैं पहले बताऊं उससे पहले आप मेरा ना यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो और साथ में बेल बटन भी दबा दो. अपने को उनकी भाषा नहीं समझ में आ रही होगी, बट फिर भी जो वो कंटेंट दे रही है, दैट कंटेंट इज वैल्यूएबल, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट हैज गॉट सो मेनी व्यूज. और हमें तो अभी काफी सारी चीजें पता है, सो वी कैन एटलीस्ट गो फॉर अ डिसेंट बैकग्राउंड. हमारे घर की कोई भी एक अच्छा कॉर्नर हम पकड़ सकते हैं. वी कैन गो टू एनी ऑफ द जैसे बुक शेल्फ है अभी कुछ के पीछे, दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड. आपके जैसे अनिल जी के पीछे भी एक अच्छा सा ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेम लगा हुआ है, ऐसा कुछ सिंपल सा बैकग्राउंड है, दैट इज ऑल्सो परफेक्टली फाइन. सो विच एवर कॉर्नर यू फील बेस्ट एट योर हाउस विथ प्रॉपर लाइटिंग्स, दैट इज द बेस्ट प्लेस टू रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो. ओके, डोंट बॉदर अबाउट कि मेरे पास ग्रीन स्क्रीन है नहीं है, स्टूडियो नहीं है, मेरे पास हाई फाई कैमरा नहीं है. डोंट बॉदर अबाउट इट.
एक चीज बताओ आबा.
Yes.
Just basic thing you started with. So I don't know how to record video on a laptop. I
So
know
that
on I know on
So that
a
is very simple. I do it on Zoom. I record
Zoom.
my videos on Zoom.
Zoom is fine.
I'm doing it like I am right now. I'm taking session on Zoom. I'll create a meeting link, and in that video, I just record video for myself.
Okay, that is one way. Any other way?
Yes. Mobile you can use, or you can use
Mobile.
different softwares, which I'll come to tell you later, that what other softwares you can use. We can come on that later in the next part. So for right now, as many people are novice over here, you can simply use your smartphones, but make sure smartphones को आप vertical position में रख के वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कीजिए. वरना क्या होगा, आपका जो वीडियो जब रिलीज होगा तो सिर्फ वीडियो की पूरी स्क्रीन के बीच में एक पट्टी जैसी, एक स्ट्रिप जैसी नजर आएगी आपके वीडियो की. Got my point? If you are recording in vertical form, then your full screen will be covered in that video. So थोड़ा सा मेकअप भी जरूरी है. You cannot go straight away from your bed और खाना बनाते बनाते, किचन बनाते बनाते यूं कलछा हाथ में लेकर के you cannot go and record the video. Yes, that is also a style, but if some particular thing you are doing for act, you are using that thing, that is okay. For example, long back I was working in a TV channel, so I was doing one show 1-2 ka 4, and there always every time I used to come in a different getup. और वहां पे एक बार मैंने एकदम फूहड़ गृहिणी का रोल किया था. Right? In that, I have deliberately appeared as totally unmatched, unfit beauty, knowledge on me. So like येलो कलर का मेरा ब्लाउज है, तो पर्पल कलर की साड़ी है, सिर में मैंने गेंदे के वो फूल लगा रखे हैं सब बहुत सारे, एंड बड़ा अजीब सा एक गंवार सी औरत का मैंने रोल उसमें अपने आप को लिया था. So I did it deliberately for my show. But if you are at home and you are presenting your video, आप अच्छे से अगर बना रहे हैं, if it is not related to anything any else, आपके कोई act नहीं है उसमें, then be presentable. आपका background अच्छा होना चाहिए. Light should be on your face. आपकी light जो है आपके सिर के थोड़ी सी ऊपर होनी चाहिए, exactly सामने नहीं होनी चाहिए. What will happen if the light is exactly in front of you? It will come into your eyes and you won't be able to speak properly. आपकी आंखें proper नहीं खुलेंगी. So आपकी जो eyes का light का जो angle है, it should be little upper than your head. आपके सिर के ऊपर थोड़ा सा होना चाहिए. एक लाइट आपकी लेफ्ट साइड से आनी चाहिए, एक लाइट राइट साइड से और एक लाइट फ्रंट से आनी चाहिए. इस तरह का लाइटिंग का सेटअप होना चाहिए. अब बोलोगे मैम इतनी सारी लाइट हम कहाँ से लाएं? सो घर में जितनी भी लाइटें हैं सारी ऑन कर लो. टेबल लैंप्स है तो अपने आसपास में टेबल लैंप्स रख लो, है ना. जरूरी नहीं है कि रिंग लाइट पे ही खर्च करना है. आई हैव डिड दैट इनिशियली. मेरे घर में जितने लाइट्स आज भी अभी भी 2 लाइट्स चल रही हैं. मेरे हस्बैंड ने बहुत अच्छी एक लाइट ढूंढ के लाए हैं, तो हमने उसको बल्ब की जगह उसी को लगा दिया है.
एक तो पावर ड्रेस है, you should be in a power dress, and second is the e-dress. These days it is very popular. People put the tie and top at the top first half, and under they are in
They are in the shorts.
वो पंजाबी कच्चा होता है नीचे अपने पीछे.
I understand that.
पंजाबी अंडरवियर नीचे होता है, ऊपर टाई होता है.
Okay, now quickly, Anil ji, sorry आपको कट कर रही हूँ, but we have to finish. So quickly, now challenge for the week 1. Do any of the following activities and earn maximum points. So आज से आपका action शुरू हो रहा है. So record micro video of 5 minutes, which will be having 5 points each. Then you can record one macro video of 8 to 10 minutes, which will be containing 10 points each. Now post your videos on your YouTube channel. मैं अभी बताती हूँ हम कैसे post कर सकते हैं. Give your data at the end of the day in EY2C WhatsApp group. The day will begin at 10 p.m. from tonight and will end on next day 10 p.m. So till next week, you have this 7 days and you can practice. This is a practice cum practical session. So challenge bhi hai, because whoever will do maximum things, so all points will be counted and winner for each week will be declared as super performer of the week. And at the end of the program, Rockstar Super Performer of the EY2C program will be given. Okay, this Rockstar Super Performer will be the final prize in the last week. So this is every week will be given Super Performer of the week. Got my point? Understood? Hope I am clear.
What is
But
meant
one
by
thing, you have to give our data at the end of every day. What kind of data?
Data in the sense, how many videos you have made today? 3 macro videos of 5 minutes and 2, whichever number you have made video, just write down your name. 2 3 minutes, 2 5 minutes video and 2 10 minutes video. ऐसे आप डाल सकते हो.
Okay.
Okay, how
Otherwise,
many
how I will
videos
know
do we
that
need
who
to
has
make?
done the maximum thing.
Acha, above one thing more, some videos we have already recorded in our TTOT
Yes, that
group.
also you can use, no issue.
No, how to transfer those to YouTube?
I'm showing it to you. I'm showing it to you.
Our TTOT group.
I'm showing it to you. I'll show you. So this thing is clear now? This thing is clear?
So how many videos do we need to make? Huh?
If you want to win, it's the only limit.
Okay.
Okay. But before that, remember, Do not post copyrighted content. Means whichever video you make sure आपके वीडियो में कहीं पे भी कोई ऐसा पिक्चर इमेज नहीं होना चाहिए जो कॉपीराइटेड हो. Do not use any product. आप कोलगेट पेस्ट के साथ अगर ऐड कर रहे हैं तो वो कॉपीराइट में क्लेम हो सकता है. So do not use any product, any image of any product, any product name on your t-shirt, on your hat. कहीं पे भी कोई कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट नहीं दिखना चाहिए, कंपनी का नाम नहीं आना चाहिए किसी भी. अगर आप यूज कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर टेप लगा दो या कुछ भी कर, उसको उसका लेबल उतार दो या कुछ भी करके यूज करो, या उसका डुप्लीकेट कुछ नाम बना के अपना फनी बना लो. डू नॉट यूज एनी product or any other image of any player or any hero, heroine or any actor in your videos, because they may be claim for copyright चीज में आ सकते हैं. Second point is not as much posting nudity, sexual content तो है ही नहीं. harmful and dangerous content भी नहीं होना चाहिए. violent और graphic content नहीं होना चाहिए. movie songs आप नहीं ले सकते because वो सारे के सारे they all are copyrighted, so you cannot take any movie songs. Then video games or software visuals also cannot be used because
inform किया गया था senior citizen males को बताना है, female को नहीं बताना. आप तो
Anil ji, you can mute yourself please.
हर जगह ही हो. मैं आप
Sorry. Okay. So you cannot upload video games or software visuals. Nowadays, youngsters, what they are doing, they are using video game visuals and they are putting actors' voice behind that. And still, they do not get their videos hit because they come into copyright foul. So songs, music clippings or pics that are not eligible for revenue sharing means those who are copyrighted, they cannot be used in your videos. Misleading metadata content, ये मैं लास्ट में समझाऊंगी क्योंकि ये अभी आप स्टेज पे नहीं आए हो, इसलिए ये मैं अभी नहीं समझाऊंगी. सिंपल आपको एक चीज इशारा करती हूँ, whichever video you are recording, its title should match the content. For example, I am putting a title of Spotlight with Abha and I am presenting a show of live conversation Dil Se with Rakesh ji. Understood? So my title and my program content is not matching. So that is misleading metadata. है ना? Got my point? Yeah. So your title and your content which, of video should match each other. And then refer YouTube guidelines already I have given, so no need of that. Thank you. And now I'll show you how you'll upload your video on.
Abha, just one little doubt, please. You said no movie songs because copyright violation takes place.
Yes,
but suppose if it's not a movie, it's a non-movie song, a folk dance or a folk song or something.
Make sure that they are not copyrighted.
How do I make sure? I mean, how do I know whether?
Because mostly अगर आपके songs वो सारे जितने भी अगर available होते हैं, they are already copyrighted. If you are singing, that is different thing. Yes, Kush.
For that, ma'am, you can go to Google and search which are the songs which are not copyrighted and the ones you can use in your own videos.
Okay. Thank you.
You are singing on your own, that is okay. But original song कहीं से भी नहीं लेना है. क्योंकि वो फिर copyright में you may fall. Okay, now uploading your video. If you are uploading video directly from your laptop, so can you see this camera icon over here on the right side?
Yes.
So there you have to click. Now here upload video, go live and create post. So ये दोनों create post is a recent feature has been added, which I have still not tried, so I have to try that. So अभी उसमें नहीं जाएंगे. Simply upload video में अगर आप जाते हैं, मैंने create किया upload video. It will straight away take to a window. अभी वो work कर रहा है. देखो कहाँ हम जाएंगे. Now here, so what you can do is, यहाँ पे आप select file पे click करेंगे. So whichever video files are there in your account, select it, open, so your video will come here. Okay, then it will be, let me select one video. नहीं गलत post हो गया तो problem हो जाएगी. I don't have any video pending right now. So once you select video, it will start processing. It will ask for public or private. It will ask to schedule later. It will then ask whether it is made for children or not. So you have to always select not made for children. Okay, why? Because if you select made for children, it will not allow anyone to comment on it. So always select not made for children until and unless it is actually made for children. Okay. So आप हमेशा वो ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करनी है एंड देन वो अपने आप आगे प्रोसेस चालू हो जाएगा उसको पोस्ट होने का. What you can do through phone? How you can do through phone? I'm showing you. Please mute yourself. Who all
ये
are there? Anil ji.
ये आबा जी, ये एक बार दोबारा बताओ, ये कहाँ, ये जो ऊपर आइकन बना हुआ है क्रिएट, ये कहाँ पे है, ये कहाँ से आया?
ये तो मैं इसमें पहुंच गई मेरे स्टूडियो में. So here this camera is there, na? You can click here. So you have upload video option, and once you click here, it will ask you to select file or select video from your folders, laptop folders. Okay, so from there you can upload. Got it? It is easy always to upload from mobile. I always do it from mobile. So mobile mein what you will do, I'll show you.
Correct.
I'll come, let me just stop there this.
Correct.
Okay. From mobile, for example, I've opened my YouTube channel. आप अपने अपने फोन में YouTube चैनल खोलेंगे तो आपको यहाँ नीचे एक प्लस का साइन दिखेगा. You will see one plus sign in the middle of your YouTube.
Abba, why don't you mute us all? There's some background noise.
Okay. So there's a plus sign over here in the middle of your YouTube page in phone. दिखा सबको YouTube चैनल पे? आपकी YouTube चैनल, आप YouTube पे क्लिक करो, आपकी चैनल योर चैनल क्लिक, आपको पता है क्या आएगा? ऐसा आएगा. अब यहाँ पे देखो योर चैनल पे भी आप क्लिक करोगे, यहाँ योर चैनल आप क्लिक करो, योर चैनल दिखेगा. योर चैनल पे जाइए, go to your channel and then click on plus. Okay. So it will ask upload a video, create a short. Create a short means you can directly record some short video on there. But I have still not tried because ये सब expert लोगों के हैं, तो अभी मैं ये मानती हूँ कि अभी भी हमें उस level पे आने में time है. So upload a video, ये सबसे best comfortable है. आप यहाँ पे जाएंगे, upload a video करिए. So again, it will open your gallery. You can select video from there. I don't have any video to upload right now. So I have one, chalo, author wala video hai. Then next. And then it will comes create title. All option will come. Title aa jayega, description aa jayega. Everything it will ask on your phone. So it's easy always to upload a video from phone. If you have in laptop, उसको आप ड्राइवर अपने ड्राइव में सेव कर लीजिए. ड्राइव से यू कैन स्ट्रेट अवे डाउनलोड ओवर हियर. हम यहाँ पे कैसे आएंगे? आई विल शो यू हाउ योर वीडियो विल कम ऑन हियर फ्रॉम Zoom to your phone. I'll show you that also in the next session when we'll see the editing part of the video. Okay, I'll bring you.
Abba, I got this through mobile, my channel. So there is no icon. What you say? What is that icon you say? Upload.
Plus sign will be there.
Plus कहाँ पे?
नीचे देखिए आप, नीचे चैनल के
नीचे ऊपर देखो,
प्लस का साइन होगा नीचे.
नीचे ऊपर अपलोड है, अपलोड ऐड.
अब अपलोड पे क्लिक करिए.
अपलोड है,
तो हो गया, सब कुछ आ गया. क्या
अपलोड.
So I hope today's session was a little long हो गया थोड़ा सा, आधा घंटा चले गया. I'm sorry for that, but वो practically दिखाना था, that's why it took time. I'll make sure कि आपका time ज़्यादा ना लूँ मैं. So any questions? You try this. Any questions if you have, you can put up in our WhatsApp group. There I'll be answering you. Any guidance you need, I will be there always for you. Kalpana ji, are you all clear about what I have explained? Philomena? You can unmute yourself.
It's clear, but yes, once we practice, we'll see where the
Yes.
problems come. Right?
Correct, correct.
So whenever you sit for recording video, prepare a small script. जब मुझे टेक्निकलिटी अभी तो मैं बहुत एक्सपर्ट हो गई, अभी मैं आपको बताऊंगी ना, आप बोलोगे क्या स्मार्ट आइडिया है, बट वो अभी नहीं बताया जा सकता क्योंकि अभी आपको उसकी प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, इसलिए वो अभी मैं हैक नहीं बताऊंगी. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, जो मैंने शुरू में मैंने किया वही मैं आपको भी बता रही हूँ. राइट योर स्क्रिप्ट इन अ स्मॉल लेटर पैड का जो पेज होता है ना, पॉइंटर्स लिख लो और उसको लैपटॉप पे सेलो टेप से चिपका दो. अगर आप मोबाइल से रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो तो कहीं पे भी उसको सामने चिपका दीजिए उन पॉइंटर्स को, एग्जैक्टली आपके मोबाइल के ऊपर की साइड में, जहां पे आपकी नजरें ज्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्ट ना हो. तो आप कैमरा की ओर देख रहे हो और देखते देखते भी आपको ऊपर आपके वो टॉपिक्स दिख रहे हैं. यू कैन कंटिन्यूअसली स्पीक ऑन बाय सीइंग दोस पॉइंट्स. बट मेक श्योर कि आपका वो जो पेज है आपके मोबाइल के कैमरे की साइड में ऊपर होना चाहिए, ताकि आपकी आई कांटेक्ट, आपका जो आई मूवमेंट है वो बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंशिएट ना हो, वरना लोगों को पता लग जाएगा कि आप पढ़ के बोल रहे हो. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? एंड एवरीवन डज दिस, है ना. अगर आप टीवी में देख लीजिए, जितने भी न्यूज चैनल आते हैं वहां लाइव शो में सुधीर चौधरी आते हैं डीएनए में. इवन ही रीड्स हिज स्क्रिप्ट फ्रॉम द स्क्रीन इवन इफ इज ऑन लाइव. हम कन्वर्सेशन दिल से का एपिसोड करते हैं, मेरी पूरी स्क्रिप्ट साइड में खुली होती है, बट नोबडी कैन मेक आउट दैट आई एम रीडिंग. मींस पॉइंटर्स आर देयर ऑफ कोर्स. काफी सारी चीजें हमारी वो स्क्रिप्ट के बाहर की होती हैं, कई बार हम सिर्फ पॉइंट लिखते हैं, उसके बाद तो बहुत सारी चीजें हमारी ऑन द स्पॉट नया नया आ जाता है अंदर. So that is the thing. But if we have pointers, it becomes easy that what we have to speak one after the other. So all pointers are there, so it will be easy for you to create that speech. Okay. So that is the hack, that how you can record your video with a script. अगर आपकी मेमोरी पावर बहुत अच्छी है, सुशांत को जरूरत नहीं है स्क्रिप्ट की, he is having a brilliant memory power, तो ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. मैं मुझे याद नहीं होती तो मैं पॉइंटर्स लिख के रखती हूँ साइड में. पहले मैं रट्टे मारती थी, शुरू के वीडियोस में मैंने रट्टे मारे हैं, बट वो मेरे से होता नहीं था. सो आई स्टार्टेड पुटिंग दैट पेज नियर बाय माय फोन. ओके, सो दैट वे यू कैन रिकॉर्ड योर वीडियोस. एनीथिंग एल्स? और जब आप वीडियो पे रिकॉर्ड, फोन पे वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, मेक श्योर आप स्क्रीन की तरफ नहीं देखोगे, कि स्क्रीन में अपने आप को देख के नहीं बोलना है, मोबाइल के कैमरे की तरफ देख के बोलना है. व्हाट माय पॉइंट? वरना वीडियो में मेरे कुछ शुरू का वीडियो देखना, मैंने वो गलती की है, तो मेरा नजर कहीं और दिख रहा है और कैमरा कहीं और है. यू सी माय इनिशियल सम ऑफ द वीडियोस, आई हैव डन दैट मिस्टेक. यू आर ऑन म्यूट नीलू.
So right now when you're talking, you are actually, to us it seems you're talking to us, but actually you're looking in your camera.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Now it has come into habit, but initially I used to look at the person.
Yeah.
और दूसरा मुझे फायदा ये है, हम जितने लोगों को भी स्पेक्ट्स होते हैं ना, हमें बहुत फायदा है, बिकॉज हमारी नजर कहाँ मूव हो रही है वो पता नहीं चलता.
So one advantage.
हमारे इसमें थोड़ी सी लाइट रिफ्लेक्शन भी आती है, so that benefit we have. एक्चुअली बोलना नहीं चाहिए, बट ठीक है, ये भी एक स्मार्टनेस है. ओके, कल्पना जी has left. Fine. चलिए, I'm sorry I have taken a lot of time.
No.
To our benefit, yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.
Good night.